Today, we are going to introduce a premium model of car LED headlight bulbs for you. This model is in gold color with separate LED driver for longer lifetime, cooling fans, Aviation aluminum housing, and 4 sides LEDs for brighter light. This is the universal package, and this model we have 11 sockets for most world cars. The H4, 7, 3, 11, 13, 1, and line 007, 4, 6, 5, 880. This model is very good to replace your halogen or HID bulbs. Thank you for watching. We will introduce you more.